Hey all, good morning. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing great. Today I have my hands on, if you can see the logo, it's a Hyundai Sonata. I think it's a 2012 model and it covers from 2012 till 2014. And what today I'm going to show you guys, which you are here for, as you have seen from the title, that I'm gonna show you that how you can reset your trip meter. If you can see over here, this is just audio, this is your regular meter, the entire mileage the car has been driven. But if you go on the steering wheel and press on this trip button, what it does, it changes the settings here. So you have to keep pressing the trip button until you get to your trip. So now we have our trip A here, and if you want to reset this, what you have to do is you have to long press this reset button. Once you do this, let's say this is our trip, it's a trip B, and if I long press on this reset button, let me get the entire thing in the single frame. So if I long press this, you can see now it's 0. So this is how you change your or reset your trip if you want to. So I just wanted to show you, because in most cars you may find the button over here, or in some cars it's over here, but in Hyundai Sonata 2012 to 2014 you'll find this thing in the steering box. So if you learned something new, you enjoyed the video, give this video a thumbs up. It was a short one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.